Okay, well now we are on step 3. It's almost 10 o'clock in the morning, and our dough, if you want to look at our dough, has risen, and it's kind of a wet dough. So what I do is I take a generous amount of flour on a surface, and if you have a wood board, that's great. If not, and since the dough is a little wet, I use a spatula or whatever this thing's called, a scraper, and I just kind of scrape my dough out of my bowl here, trying to get as much as I can, because it is a wet dough, and again, this is a no-knead bread. I have one of these if you get stuck to the floor. So take the dough now and you just fold it over like 4 times, and that's all you do. You don't knead it. So you just kind of grab it here and fold it over once, and then fold it over here, fold it over here, like this sort of, and like this. And that's kind of it. And then I throw some more flour on top of it, and then I turn it over, all right? And I just kind of round it a little bit, like that. And then you're ready. Now I have a towel here, and I take some of my flour, and I put it on the towel so it doesn't stick. You can use cornmeal instead if you want. And I'll just stick this on this towel and let this rest for anywhere between 30 minutes, and you can let it rest for up to 2 hours. So now while this is resting, you get a Dutch oven. I use cast iron. You can use Pyrex or anything with a lid. And I'm going to put this in the oven and preheat this. There's still some flour in there from the last time I used it. And then put this in the oven